Dear viewers and learners, I am giving you another topic, degree of comparison of adjectives. Now, we have to know what do you mean by adjective? Adjective is a word that tells something about a noun or a pronoun, that is additional information about the subject. So, when adjective, then so or as, then as, onto the right subject, onto the left verb. It's sure it is a positive degree sentence, and if you add adjective added to er or adjective before it more, then it is comparative degree. Then it is comparative degree. Here is additional information. When you are adding er or you are adding more before adjective, then common word than, and there are three or six words. Any other, all other, most other, few other, many other. When I am writing adjective with est and adjective before it most, then common or definite article before most. Thank you. Now, I am writing a sentence and you have to think what is fit, whether it is positive, whether it is comparative, whether it is superlative. Now, I am writing no other student is so big as he. So make sure whether it is a positive degree sentence on comparative or superlative. When adjective so as, then it's positive degree sentence, so we can change it into comparative one. So what will be its comparative form? Comparative form. Now you have to find out subject and verb. Subject he, verb is. Verb. Subject will come first. So subject plus verb plus degree, that is comparative degree. So subject he, verb is, then comparative when big, bigger, biggest. So biggest, he is comparative bigger than any other, only any other, than any other student. You may write in the class. So student, that is class. Now, so we can utter comparative degree sentence, he is bigger than any other student. Thanks. Now, superlative. Subject will come first. Subject, he. Then verb, is. Then superlative form. Superlative form, est or most before adjective. And the biggest student. Very small sentence. He is the biggest student. Now, I am giving you another example. No other girl in the class is so beautiful as she. Now, adjective, beautiful, so, as. So it's a positive degree sentence, so it has comparative one or superlative. So, comparative she is. Verb, subject. Dear learners, you have to remember that when you are writing a comparative degree sentence or superlative degree sentence, you will start with subject and verb. So subject, she, and verb, is. Now, beautiful. Beautiful or beautifulest, it's not correct. When there is OUS added to adjective, full added to adjective, famous, marvelous, beautiful, merciful, and important, and past participle used as adjective. Then this structure is not fit. You have to write more or most. est and er not fit for them. You have to write more, most. So, she is more beautiful than, no should be changed into any. So, any other, what? Very easy. Any other girl in the class. So, before verb. All. Any other girl in the class. Now, I am writing another example. Very few students are so talented. Talented as he I have ever seen. Very few. Difference. Plural verb. Are. Talented. First participle of adjective. So, when very few, then most other, or then few other, or then many other. So, we have to take one thing, most other. Subject will come first, subject, he, verb, are should be changed into is in the comparative or superlative form. Then subject will come first, comparative, subject she, verb is, why is? Students are, she is single, is. Comparative, so comparative more adjective, more talented than which one? Most other, that is very few, for very few, most other, for no other than any other. So then most other students I have ever seen. Now, another example. He is the best of all students in the class. So thanks. EST. So it is a superlative degree sentence. So it has comparative or positive. So very easy, when I am writing comparative, then you remember subject will come first, then verb. So subject he, verb is, best, better, good. Dear learners, I am writing good, better, best, bad, evil, ill, worse, worst. Positive, comparative, superlative. Comparative, positive. So he is better. Better. Here then added to then when of all, then all other. So all other students, all plural. So students in the class. In the same way, you can write any other student. Any singular word, so any other student. So we can add he is better than all other students, or he is better than any other student in the class. Now, when all other, then any other. So any other means any comparative you are writing no other. That is very easy. So when positive degree, then we have to write positive degree sentence, no other student in the class but each good, so as he. So no other student in the class is as good as he or so good as he. So thanks. Now this will be the last one. Man is not as happy as a healthy poor man. Dear learners, there are two persons, a healthy poor man, a sick moneyed man. A sick moneyed man or sickly moneyed man is not as happy as a healthy poor man. So, adjective happy, it has only, you have to write only comparative form, comparative, no superlative. That is, between two persons or two things, you can only write comparative form of it. So, a healthy poor man, he is the happiest one. So, a healthy poor man is happier than a sick moneyed man. A healthy poor man is happier than a sick-minded man. So, this structure is not fit for two persons or two things. Now, dear learners, I think it will give you a chance to make it simple and very easy for you to make a change in the transformation of sentence. So, I think you will get benefited through my class. Thank you all. Be safe, stay home and be sure of your life. Thank you all.